Welcome back to the Design Pantry channel. Today we have a room tour of a corner unit at the S Hotel in Montego Bay. So this is our room at 262. There's our doorbell. We have a new doorbell. There's the room. Walk in. As you can see, this room is light and airy. There's a lot of natural sunlight because there are two floor-to-ceiling windows, which is really great. So this is a view.
With the shower.
We have desk, TV, little dresser. What's behind this door?
I don't know.
This is probably a closet. It's a closet. There's a safe. There's a little safe above, and a small fridge. It's your iron and your ironing board. Oh. Okay, so that's the closet. We have a TV, cute little artwork on the wall. And it's a double bed corner, partial ocean view. Let's see, let's check it out.
Wow.
Yes. In this room, there's actually a full ocean view. It's not a partial ocean view, but it's on a lower level. We got the hair done. Okay, so you have a view of the ocean. We're on the second floor here.
Even in mom picture, yes.
Well, we have a curtain that we can close.
That is true.
Excuse me. And then here is the corner unit balcony. There's a single chair out there. It's sort of shaded with a little table. Let's,
Yep.
yeah, looks like it's locked. Can you turn it downwards? Is that the way we had to do it with the other?
Yes. No, we
Okay.
have to like this. Yeah, it's just locked. It's not, you know.
Okay, is there a latch or something to switch? On the back right, there's a black thing. On the back right. Yeah, can that go up or down? Okay. So here is the bed. Someone can climb up here. Here's the bed. And here's another view of the room. Can you move some of this to me so I can show the bathroom? Why do you not want sunlight? It's daytime. So again, here's our view of the ocean. It's beautiful. If you look straight ahead, the trees aren't in the way. You get a view of the pier, as well as the water. Again, a cute little desk. There's some storage space here. You get a hairdryer in there, your laundry bag. You get two drawers with additional space. Love the look of the doors. Doors are super cool. Okay, the shower. It's a little smaller than the last room that we were in. Where's the lights for the bathroom? The key is in the door. Put the key in the door. Yes, I think that the doors are really cute. I like the panels on the door, and you have double security here, so you can spin this lock if it wants to close. Let's see. No, it doesn't want to close. Okay. So we can lock it this way. And this is the bathroom. Yeah, you have a shower, little handle, safety, and floors. You step out the way. You have a mirror here, vanity. They have their own brand of soap, the Ice Hotel soap. Right there. You have excess toilet tissue. There's a towel supply. And a toilet. Cute little bathroom, 2 hooks for your towels or robes. And that is the full walkthrough of the room. Let's get one more look at the corner unit. It's cute. I like it. Thank you so much for watching. Here is one final look at the room, and the views on a lower level at the S Hotel are not that bad. They're still absolutely stunning. It's nicer on a higher level though.